dinosaur would Greymon be? I'm the cosplaying paleontologist, here to tell you more. Like many Digimon, Greymon was redesigned many times over the years, but first let's make it clear which form we're talking about. The original design from the adventure anime has a bipedal posture that was typical for dino reconstructions of the 1950s. Excuse me one second. Until the late 90s and early 2000s, almost all dinosaurs and dinosaur-like things were reconstructed this way. You can see this when you look at Godzilla, Power Rangers, and of course, Digimon. One day before the 99 anime was released, a short film was released that showed when Tai met Koromon for the first time. In the Western release, we didn't get to see this until 2001 with the release of the Digimon movie. The short film was originally a standalone project from the anime. Because of that, Greymon in this movie had a much more modern interpretation of dinosaur posture. I will use this Greymon design as the basis for my analysis today, since it has more real dino features. First, we can immediately tell that he is a theropod dinosaur. He has the teeth of a carnivore, he walks on two legs, or is bipedal, and he has 3 fingers in each hand. These all fit the criteria of a theropod dinosaur. The theropod group includes all living birds, which are living dinos by the way, and all dinosaurs that are closely related to birds, starting with the most basal theropods like Carnotaurus or T-Rex. Greymon was typically shown with scales and not feathers, so he was probably a basal theropod. But what about these horns and the helmet? You could say that they just slapped a Triceratops head on a Tyrannosaur and call it a day, because this is exactly what they did to Triceramon. God, that is atrocious to look at. But I have another hypothesis. There is a theropod that was known for having osteoderms, which are bony, thick scales that create plate armor on reptiles. This dino was Ceratosaurus. It's a dino that was known to have colorful horns on its snout that were made up of osteoderms. Check out my video on this in the paleo playlist. Ceratosaurus is known for using its brightly colored horns for sexual display. So a lot of paleo art shows these dinos with beautiful color patterns that complement their horns. Look how this paleo artist showed an orange dino with blue stripes, for example. The real Ceratosaurus would only use their horns and stripes for the Riz game, because these horns were too soft to use as a weapon. But since Greymon is a 90s cool kid interpretation of a Ceratosaurus, these could be thicker osteoderms that allow for attack and defense. Now that you know what Dino Greymon is, which Digimon should I evaluate next? Like and follow for more!